Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Good evening to all of you. Thank you so much for your participation during the class. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. So in this summary video, I'm going to revise the first two lessons which we have already learned. Right? So those students who still did not understand anything about these lessons, so I'll try to cover up all the important points in this video. So in the first lesson, working together, we came to know, we learned about the dragon dance, how, why, and where people they are performing the dragon dance. We have seen in the picture that there is a boy sitting on the wheelchair. His name is Steve, and the man who is playing the drum, he is the teacher, and all of them they are trying to learn the dragon dance, and they are trying to perform the dragon dance. So we have seen here the answers of these questions, that how do the children make the dragon move, what is Steve doing, and is the learning dance, learning the dragon dance is easy or difficult. So we have seen the answers of all these questions. Here again, I'm going to show you. So take a look at these questions. How do the children make the dragon move? They hold up the dragon with long poles. They move the poles up and down to make the dragon move. What is Steve doing? Steve is learning to play the cymbals. And is learning the dragon dance is easy or difficult? It's difficult. It's not so easy, right? So these are the answers of these three questions. You should write it on your notebook, right? You remember I asked you guys to purchase a new notebook for the questions answers, one, and the other notebook for the vocabulary words. So by the end of this week, I'll give you the new vocabulary words as well. At the moment, you can see the question answers. We need to write it on your notebook. Need to memorize as well. Okay, if we are going down here, so we have seen these questions, where, what, how, who. Take a look here. Where is Chinese New Year celebrated? What does a long dragon bring? And how does the dragon move? Who holds up the dragon? You can answer all these questions by yourself. Where is the Chinese New Year celebrated? And it's all the answers you can find here. The Chinese New Year celebrated in China and many other countries too, right? Further, that what does a long dragon bring? It brings the good luck. It brings the good luck. And how does the dragon move? Move the dragon up and down, right and left. And the last is, who holds up the dragon? The boys and girls, those who can see in the picture, those who are taking part in the dragon dance. Then we have seen the words and the opposites: up, down, right, left, slowly, quickly, twist, turn. I asked many questions, many students during the class, uh, if they can tell me the birds and their opposites, like day, night, right? Black, white, cool, cold, warm, right? So these are called the opposite words. The first lesson, it was uh, very entertaining. It was, as I've showed you, a video of dragon dance on the YouTube. If you want to see again, you can write simply the dragon dance in China. You can see the videos related to the dragon dance on YouTube as well. And if we talk about today's lesson, let's play. So we learned about the four games here, that which you can play with your friends, which you can play with your family members. So the first game, two can tie a bow. Can you and your partner work together to tie a bow? This is not easy. Each person, you can use only one hand, as you can see in the picture that they are playing to tie a bow. And the condition is that they can only use their one hand to play this game. The second, up and down, sit on the floor back to back with your partner, link your elbows together, try to stand up, then sit down. You can see their position of these two girls. Uh, they're on the floor with the within this position, back to back position. They are linking their elbows together. They are, you have seen in this picture, joining up their elbows, their arms together, and they're standing up and sitting down. Very nice, healthy activity. Then don't step on the floor. You and your partner needs 3 pieces of paper, as you can see in the picture as well. So you must cross from one side of the room to the other side, and you must only step on the paper. You must not step on the floor. Can you do it? Yes, I know. I'm sure many of you can do it. So just place the piece of paper on the floor. Try to jump on these papers. If your feet are touching the floor other than the paper, so it means you lose this game. And the last game was 11 fingers. In this game, you need 3 people stand in a circle together, say 1, 2, 3, go. And when you say go, so hold out some of your fingers on one hand, not the both hands, only one hand. As you can see here, 3 different hands, they're holding up their fingers. So add up all the fingers in the circle, and to win this game, you must have 11 fingers. How many? 11 fingers. So how many tries does it take? I think it's quite easy, but when you'll play, you'll see. There are a few expressions, few phrases. Don't give up. Let's try again. That's good. We have done it. So try to use these phrases when you're playing these games. Don't give up mean that you don't need to quit. Try again. That's good. We have done it. When you have achieved, when you've learned how to play the game, so you can say we have done it, right? That is it. And let me tell you your homework. You are going to write page number 4 and page number 5 from your activity book. Complete your homework. If you want, you can send me on the WhatsApp so I can check it for you guys, right? That is it for today. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and goodbye.